Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you are fine and doing very well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of living room. In this video, you are gonna love this video. Living room design ideas. These are basically for living room design, and this is the best collection for them. So just watch this video till the end. You will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you're gonna love these living room design collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. Precious collection, you reviews positive feedback tells me that you're loving my video and my video are useful and helpful for you. So just visit my channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel. You can see different type home decor ideas on my channel. These living room ideas very beautiful and useful and in this video. So please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. I wish up more collection who went to watch my channel. Do serve reels or messages repeat? You tell me in the comment section and give to support me by sharing my video with your relatives, with your friends. And thanks for your appreciation on my precious videos. So thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring conscious of videos and worshipful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Till the next video, see you soon.